should all oppressed people be allowed refuge in America? Amber will take the con position. Cher will be pro. Cher, 2 minutes.
So, okay, like right now, for example, the Haitians need to come to America. But some people are all, what about the strain on our resources? But it's like when I had this garden party for my father's birthday, right? I said RSVP because it was a sit-down dinner. But people came that did not RSVP. So I was totally bugging. I had to haul ass to the kitchen, redistribute the food, squish in extra place settings. But by the end of the day, it was the more the merrier. And so, if the government could just get to the kitchen, rearrange some things, we could certainly party with the Haitians. And in conclusion, may I please remind you that it does not say RSVP on the Statue of Liberty. Thank you very much.
Amber, reply?
Mr. Hall, how can I answer that? The topic is Haiti, and she's talking about some little party.
Hello, it was his 50th birthday.
Whatever. If she doesn't do the assignment, I can't do mine.
So, does anyone have any further thoughts on Cher's oration? Elton, comments?
Yeah, I can't find my cranberry CD. I gotta go to the quad before somebody snags it.
I'm afraid I can't permit that. Any further insights?
I had insight, Mr. Hall.
I'm all ears.
Okay, the way I feel about the Rolling Stones is the way my kids are gonna feel about Nine Inch Nails, so I really shouldn't torment my mom anymore, huh?
Yes. Well, it's a little off the subject of Haiti, but tolerance is always a good lesson.
Thank you.
Even when it comes out of nowhere.
Okay, like right now, for example, the Haitians need to come to America. But some people are all, what about the strain on our resources? The more the merrier. And so, if the government could just get to the kitchen, rearrange some things, we could certainly party with the Haitians.